Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. Today's video is going to be short and sweet because I was supposed to show you guys the bodice. I did not finish. I am going to show you guys the progress that I made. What I have is the front. This is what it's looking like thus far. It is a lot of work. It's a lot of pleats. And I just didn't manage to finish. And this is how the back is looking. I'm so sorry. This is how the back is looking. Not much going on. I have the rows. I have them finished, but nothing yet. No action. I do find it a little difficult. I don't know if I really like. I mean, the pleats are here. I don't know if I like this, or I think I might do a little bit of change. I'm not feeling this. Maybe that's why it took me so long, but I'm not feeling it. Now that it's almost done, I'm like, what is this? This patchwork is just not my thing. So I'm thinking that I might do something else. Smaller patches. I'm going to figure it out. Because I don't have no fabric left. Or at least I only have two more fabric left. I have the rayon, which is the Digi Flower, which is this one right here, and I got the sateen. And the rest, this is what I have to work with. So if I do change something or anything, I have to change it within the bounds of what I have in terms of fabrics right here. This happens. This happens in a sewing journey. Sometimes you kind of lose it, you kind of lose your touch, and then all of a sudden you got it back. I'm hoping that that is what happened. But I'm hoping that I'll be able to get on it and maybe change what I don't like in order to make it what I do like and finish it. That's what I'm hoping for. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And you have a great day. Bye.